What if I told you we already have everything we need to power our world, and it's all natural? Hello there, I'm Shahez from Fans Creative Corner. Today I'll talk about my project, the Clean Energy Solution. We are building the future by using planet's two most powerful, totally renewable resources. First, the sun. These are solar panels that are made from special materials that simply catch the sunlight and instantly turns that light into the clear electricity that runs our home. It's just like a magical sponge from sunbeams. Next, the wind. These wind turbines are designed so the blades push the blade, making them spin fast. That spinning motion goes into a generator, which converts the movement into electricity. So, the wind outside is literally giving power to the house. And here's why this system is so important. There are three major advantages of why we should use them. Number one, they're clean. They produce zero carbon emissions, meaning no air pollution. Number two, they are sustainable. They will never run out. Unlike fossil fuels, the fuels of this system, sun and wind, are always available. Number three, they are cost-effective. After the initial setup, the fuels, sun and wind are free. Using renewable resources means being smart and kind to our planet. Thanks for joining me here at Fans Creative Corner.